Hey everybody, it's Catrina with Windsor Eats, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an old-fashioned. For this recipe, you will need bourbon, simple syrup, Angostura bitters, and an orange. And the tools you will need for it are a mixing glass, a bar spoon, a jigger, and a knife just to cut the peel off that orange. The recipe I like to follow is 2 ounces of bitter with 1 ounce of simple syrup and 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Now, if that seems too sweet for you, it's totally fine. If you still like bourbon, but you don't want to add so much simple syrup, add a half an ounce, add a quarter of an ounce. If you don't like bourbon and you want to try a different whiskey with it, totally fine, switch it out. In my opinion, as long as you are drinking a whiskey with a simple syrup, with Angostura bitters, you're drinking an old fashioned and there was no judgment coming from me, okay? All right, so let's get into it. So we're gonna take our mixing glass and fill it with ice, and I've already done that. So we're gonna crack open our bourbon. Today I am using the Evan Williams Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. And like I said, 2 ounces, so 1 and 2. And like I like to do, just another little dash for luck. That's it. That's it. All right, moving on to the simple syrup. Simple syrup is super easy to make. 1 part water to 1 part sugar, okay? I boiled a full cup of water, and then I tossed in the sugar, stirred it until it dissolved, and here we are, okay? Super simple, nothing complicated about that. So I'm gonna fill this up with 1 ounce of simple syrup. Toss that in, and then 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. 1, 2. Get that down, cap that up. So now we're just gonna stir. All the ingredients, you don't need to shake this drink. It's a stirred cocktail for sure. And I like to count to 40 when I do this. Again, I have no idea why. One day I was doing it and it just clicked. And it just felt right in my soul to stick to 40. Now, since I've been talking, again, no idea. So I'm just gonna call that 40. I'm gonna take the top of this, put that on, grab a rocks glass here, and let's add in 2 chunks of ice. Now, these are bigger chunks, so they're not gonna dilute as quickly as smaller bits of ice. Toss that on top. Make sure you get every last drop. All right, and then I've already cut off an orange peel, and what you're gonna do is squeeze it. Okay, pith the white side facing you and squeeze the peel. Okay, this again, it releases the oils in the orange skin, and then you can wipe it around the rim of the glass and toss that in as a garnish, and there you go. Just a simple old fashioned. So good. So good. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'm Catrina from Windsor Eats. If you've liked this video, go ahead and actually give it a like. Go ahead and follow Windsor Eats as well so you can see more videos like this to help enhance your life. We will see you next time. Cheers!